stayed home, so I thought I would get some videos filmed, and you just saw a video using the new time-lapse feature on iOS 8. I like it. I think it is cool. But here's the wallet I made. I have mixed feelings about it. It's zebra, and the seams are clear taped. Pink billfold, and then there's duct tape and clear tape at the bottom. The lighting is so bad. And then it's electric blue card pockets, pink trim, and it only has 4 card pockets because if you saw, I don't know if you could see because it was going really fast, but I messed up, like, not kind of bad, but like really, really bad. So I only made 4 pockets on this wallet, but I still think it looks nice with 4 pockets, maybe for someone like a little girl, I guess. And then trims are clear taped, pockets are clear taped, ID is clear taped, bottom of the fold is clear taped, seams are clear taped, everything is clear taped on this wallet. So expect more videos soon since I am sick and I'm going to be making a lot of stuff. So yeah, thanks. Bye guys.